jumping high. L is for lion, roaring to the sky. M is for moon, shining so bright. N is for nest, cozy at night. O is for octopus, waving hello. P is for popcorn, popping let's go. A, B, C, come and play. Sing and learn the fun way. Q is for quail, quacking loud. R is for rainbow, colorful and proud. S is for sun, shining all day. T is for tree, where we love to play. U is for umbrella,